Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saber Ahmed, and today we have something truly exciting in Photoshop for you. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or a new visitor, I promise you won't want to miss what we've got lined up. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest content from our channel. So, without further ado, ode to Photoshop's layer panel. In the digital realm, where artistry takes flight, lies a tool of depth and wonder. Where creativity ignites, it's the Photoshop layer panel, a canvas for your dreams. Let's explore its secrets in poetic streams. Chapter I: The Canvas of Creation. Within Photoshop's embrace, a canvas so vast, the layer panel awaits. Where creativity's cast, it's the foundation of your art, a realm to unfold, where stories are told and wonders behold. Chapter E: A Blank Slate Beckons. Start with a canvas, blank and pristine, a world uncharted, an artist's dream. In the layer panel's silence, your vision takes shape, like a journey through time. With every layer you drape. Chapter E: Weave layers as brushstrokes up. Each layer a brushstroke, a stroke of your soul. With opacity and blending, you have the control. Stack them like pages in an artistic tome. In the layer panel's sanctuary, you make art your home. Chapter is the power of arrangement. Range them like orchestral notes in a symphony's grace. Foreground, middle ground, and backgrounds embrace. With layers in harmony, your composition sings. In the layer panel's chorus, your art takes wings. Chapter V: Masks. The veil of secrets. Masks like veils of mystique conceal and reveal. With black and white magic, your vision they seal. Painting with masks, your secrets kept near. In the layer panel's whispers, there's nothing to fear. Chapter V: Blending Modes. Alchemy's dance. Blending modes, like alchemy, transform the mundane. Multiply, screen, overlay, a creative terrain. In the layer panel's embrace, let your colors ignite as you blend, merge, and conquer with artistic insight. Chapter V: Transformations. Shape-shifting dreams. Scale, rotate, and distort. In the layer panel's command, transform your creations. Let your vision expand. With each twist and turn, your art finds its way. In the layer panel's ballet, your dreams sway. Chapter V: Grouping. Unity's embrace. Group layers together, like a family's bond. With folders and nesting, your art becomes fond. In the layer panel's unity, your creations unite. A masterpiece of layers, like stars in the night. Chapter X: Opacity. The veil of transparency. Opacity's gentle touch, like a whisper in the wind. Adjust it with care. Let your artistry be penned. In the layer panel's tenderness, your visions they blend, creating depth and layers that seem to never end. Chapter X: Labels. The art of organization. Label your layers, like chapters in a book. With names and colors, take a thoughtful look. In the layer panel's order, your art finds its place. A structured creation, a visual embrace. Chapter She: Locking. Guardians of integrity. Lock layers with purpose. Protect them from change. Preserve your art's essence. Don't let it rearrange. In the layer panel's custody, your work stays true. A guardian of integrity, a creative debut. Chapter G: The artistic legacy. And when your masterpiece is done, your story well told. In layers of creation, a legacy unfolds. Share your vision with the world. Let your artistry shine bright. In the layer panel's embrace, your art takes its flight. In this poetic journey through Photoshop's layer panel's grace, may you find inspiration and creativity's warm embrace. With each layer and every blend, let your artistry ignite as you paint your dreams on the canvas, and your world becomes so bright. Pattern overlay. Textures of the earth. Like Earth's rich tapestry of immeasurable worth, patterns add texture, a sense of rebirth. In layer styles library, find textures mirth. Blend if, a masked secret to uncover. In shadows and highlights, like a hidden lover. Blend if commands, to uncover and discover. Layer styles, subtlety, like secrets to hover. Mastering gradients, colorful dreamscapes, like a painter's palette, in vast landscapes. Gradients enchant, with vibrant escapes. In layer styles world, let your vision reshape. Experiment, create, let creativity flow. Layer styles, treasure, let your talents bestow. In the realm of Photoshop, let your artistry grow. With practice and patience, let your skills glow. In this digital realm, where your imagination takes flight, layer styles are your brushes, your palette of light. Practice with purpose, your creativity in sight, and in Photoshop's embrace, you'll find endless delight. In the realm where pixels play and colors dance, where artistry meets digital elegance's trance, to master Photoshop's layer styles, take a chance. Let's embark on a journey, a skillful romance. Embrace the basics, the foundation's grace. Start with the core, in this wondrous place. Learn blending modes, like shadows in space. Opacity and fill, their subtleties embrace. Text and shapes, your canvas to amaze. Begin with simplicity, as dawn's first rays. Text and shapes, like stories, they'll convey. Layer styles on these, let creativity blaze. Gradient glow, radiance unconfined, a soft gradient glow, like moonlight's bind. Inner shadows, outer glows, they're aligned. Mastery of these, your artwork refined. Stroke and bevel, shapes in 3 dimension. Stroke, a bold outline, like a knight's convention. Bevels at depth, create a noble ascension. Layer styles magic, your art's true intention. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you. Remember, life is short. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.